SaMASZ Insights number 7. Where are they made? So we got asked this a lot. They're made in Poland. And what's more, they've been making them there for 40 years. So they're celebrating their 40th anniversary this year. And it's a long time to be making products, so they're in it for the long haul. They know what they're doing, and this really comes through in just little design features in their mowers. And what's even more impressive is the scale of automation and continuous improvement they've been pouring into their factory over the years. You look at it now, it's an impressive factory. You can check it out online. So they make the majority of their products in-house. So they make their own cutter bars, they make their own frames. They actually make cutter bars for a couple of other brands of mowers, but that's another story for another day. So they've got full control of their production process, which is fantastic, not only for quality control, but if there are some worthwhile changes that need to be made, they can make them. So they're a massive company, close on 1,000 staff, and huge factory. There again, you can see the scale of it online, so check it out. SaMASZ Poland is their headquarters and sold all around the globe.